Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're taking a look at our 48x40 Eagle skid package. This system is set up with a 3000 psi, 5.5 gallon a minute pressure washer. It has the RW series Comet pump. It's belt driven. The reason we use these belt drive pumps is they are heavier duty, they run at a lower RPM, and they draw from a tank much better than a direct drive system does. And this has the Honda GX 390 engine with the electric start. We also have the 12-inch Titan hose reels. These are electric powered. You just press this button and it rewinds your hose super fast. This has 200 feet of the 3/8 pressure washer hose and 100 foot of the 3/4 inch incoming hose. We've also got the fittings right there on the front. Everything stays in place. It's not going to fall off the back of your truck or the side of your trailer, depending on how you have this set up on your system. Moving around the back, we have our 20-gallon soap tank. This is a vertical narrow style soap tank. It's got the numbers on the side so you can see exactly how many gallons you have left in your tank. We use the aluminum bands to keep it all together. Looks nice, more corrosion resistant that way as well. The chemical line gets pulled through the soap injector that is attached to your pressure washer. So, I'm sorry, the soap injector is attached to the hose reel, but it draws through the pressure washer. And then we have the shirts box on the other side, we'll get to that in a minute, that will electronically control it. Down below, we've got our 12-volt battery that powers the electric start for the pressure washer and the power hose reels. We've got our two hoses here. This blue one is our incoming hose. So that's going to come from your garden hose line and then feed into your tank. It's just loosely put together right now because we're going to install it in the customer's vehicle when they get here in a couple days. And then we have our bypass line, again loosely installed. This is where the whenever you let off the trigger when your pressure washer is running, that's going to recycle the water into your tank and then back through your pump. Keep that pump nice and cool and protected from being overheated. We've got the incoming filter. That way you don't get any debris inside of your tank on top here. And we've got the 100-gallon tank paired up with this. On the other side, you can get a look at the where the water goes into the pressure washer. So we've got this line temporarily disconnected. We went ahead and tested everything, but to move this around, we had to disconnect it. So we'll reconnect it when it gets installed. But this line here goes right into the inlet of the pressure washer. We've got another filter. So there's a filter to keep debris from getting in your tank, but if anything does get past that filter or you get any algae or something that grows inside your tank, then we can filter it again through here, just to keep that pump as protected as possible. And then the second line here is your tank drain. So when this is all the way up in the back of your truck, you can't really access it. This hose will uncoil and be accessible from the rear of your truck, and then you just use this valve to open and close to empty your tank. If you get a little bit closer here, we have the shirts box. This is the remote control box for your soap injection. So when the light is blinking, you're drawing soap, and then you hit the next button. It's like a button that says A and B on it. A will have it open, B will turn it off, and then you'll be able to control that from a distance. So you can use your low pressure soap nozzles for rinsing this way without having to go all the way back to your pressure washer soap injector and turn it off. The other features that we have on here, we have bleeder valves on the pump. We do this with all of our rigs. That bleeds all the air out of the incoming line or gets your pump primed up so that you have easy starts. You can just turn that key, starts right up, no problems. The skid that it's on is made out of aluminum. It's corrosion resistant. It looks nice. It's very presentable. And it's going to last longer than putting it in on any type of wood or steel pallet whenever you're using corrosive chemicals. Other than that, this application is ideal for mobile washing, of course. So you can do it for residential cleaning, commercial cleaning, construction cleanup, all kinds of applications, or even truck washing if you wanted. Other than that, if you need more information, you can check it out on our website at 3rpressurewashers.com. You can go into either our featured products right now, it has this on there, or you can go into the pressure washer soft wash skid packages that we have. If you're on YouTube, if you go down to the description, there will be a link to the product page as well.